Today we're talking about making money, so I felt like it was appropriate to wear green. And if making money online is one of the goals that you set for yourself this year, this video is for you. Passive income is a topic that I get asked about a lot, and I understand why. It's the idea that you can make money while you sleep, or while you're hanging out with friends, or spending time with your family, sipping a pina colada on the beach. It's the ultimate goal. And I truly believe that the best way to generate passive income is by setting up automations to help you do that. Because there's a lot of different types of passive income. I'm not claiming that this is the only way, but I do talk about automations a lot on my channel, like in this video here or this video. And today we're going to do something a little bit different. Today I want to help you build just one automation, a simple funnel to connect with your audience and help you make your first $5,000 online. As always, timestamps are below. Use them if you need them. Let's jump in. Before jumping to the computer, you're just gonna have to deal with me being over on the side instead of front and center, because I wanna talk a little bit about what this road to $5,000 actually looks like. $5,000 actually looks like. Let's talk about how to get to $5,000, because if that feels really far away for you, then it probably is, because you need to be able to see it within reach for it to be possible for you. Kind of like manifesting it, but more so creating like a legit plan where you're like, oh, if I just follow these steps, I'll get a $5,000. Because like once you have a plan in place, you see the steps laid out, then getting $5,000 is simple. It's not easy, but it's pretty simple. So for today's video, we're gonna talk like 3 main options for you to hit that road to $5,000. Those 3 options, you either are going to sell a $27 digital product, a $49 digital product, or a $97 digital product. If you're selling a $27 digital product, we want you to have 185 people buy that product in a month. If you're selling the $49 digital product, have 102 people buy that. And if you're selling a $97 digital product, have 52 people buy that. So honestly, the first step is for you to create a digital product, one that is highly sought after and wanted by your target audience. Creating a digital product does not have to be hard. I literally have a full video that teaches you how to create and sell a digital product. It literally like how to set it up, the tech for selling it as well. So if you don't already have a digital product, watch that video first, set it up, and then come to this video, because this video is going to teach you how to automate the sales to that digital product once it's set up. To automate sales, we're going to set up one funnel today, because with the right funnels in place, you can not only sell your digital product, but you could also automatically upsell your target audience from a cheaper product to a more expensive one, or for coaching or whatever higher ticket offers that you have, without you having to do anything manually, like send out emails or DM people. Setting up a funnel or an automated funnel basically allows you to exponentially scale the amount of money that you can make. So to do all of this, we are going to hop over to our computer, and we are using Manychat. This is a tool that I have personally been using since 2022. And instead of starting with a pre-built automation, we are going to create our own. Now, I think the easiest way for you to set this up is if like you build the funnel literally alongside me while I do it in this video. So I will leave a link down in the description below where you could try Manychat Pro for free for 30 days, and you could set this funnel up yourself. So let's build this automation. Now we're gonna set up a trigger. This is the event that kicks off our automation, our funnel, if you will. We are going to do when a user comments on a post, and I also want them to reply to a story. So when a user comments on your post, we're gonna make this evergreen. So basically on any post, not just like a specific post or reel, we're gonna say all posts, continue, and the keyword is, let's just say shakalaka. That's our test trigger word. Now, anytime somebody comments shakalaka on my any post or reel, they will be inserted into this funnel. Now let's press continue. You're going to customize your response. I like to make sure auto reply comments are on. This actually helps build engagement on your reels. I have tested this and it works. Okay, trust me. So you want to make sure these are customized to your own brand voice. I'm going to skip this for now. Press save. Cool. We have one automation set up. Now we want to make sure we're going to set up the same trigger word for when somebody replies to your stories. And it's going to contain specific word, shakalaka. We're going to wait 0 seconds, reply with a heart, and then we're going to send them a message. So when somebody takes these actions, then follow the line, we're sending them a DM. Okay, let's talk about what our goal is real quick. We're trying to sell our digital product, okay? And it is okay to create content leading people to buy your digital product. That's how we make money. You're gonna talk about your digital products. That's okay, right? So let's say you post a reel and the reel is providing value, talking about also the digital product you offer. This trigger word, shakalaka, you tell somebody, hey, comment shakalaka, I'll send you a link to this digital product. So we're going to deliver the digital product right away. So we have our little message like, hey, this is going to be the link to the digital product. You could include the price from the jump. You cannot. I like to want to check it out. Adding a button. We're going to say, yes, please. Done. Then when the button is pressed, we're going to send another Instagram message. Add text, delivery message. So they say, yes, please. Perfect. Here's the link. Button opens a website, link to your digital product, checkout page here. That's not really a website. I'm just using that as a visual example. Cool. Now, technically you could stop there, right? You got your people into the funnel and you're like, okay, yay, I sold my digital product. But we're going to take it a step further. We're going to nurture this conversation, make sure somebody purchases. And if not, how can we still provide value? Or if they do purchase, how can we also upsell? So we're keeping them engaged and trying to show up as much as possible without also like being too overwhelming. So now we are going to set up a smart delay. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up an action. I'm going to add a tag. We're going to call this tag clicked shakalaka button, add tag. Basically, because this action is directly connected to the button, when somebody clicks the button, we're adding a tag to the conversation and telling Manychat, hey, this person has clicked this button. They clicked the shakalaka button. They either purchased the guide or they're interested in the guide. So this person, we want to nurture more. Now, if somebody doesn't press the button, we're also going to want to nurture them, but in a different way. We are going to set up a smart delay. Let's wait 2 hours and then we'll send them a follow-up message. In this follow-up message, we're going to say something like, hey, I noticed you didn't grab my digital product today, but I have a completely free guide that you might be interested. Would you like for me to send you the link? Now, of course, you could kind of like do this your own way. So if you wanted to do a follow-up to like get them to purchase again, the message doesn't have to immediately go into, do you want a freebie? It could just be like, wait an hour and then be like, hey, notice that you didn't grab the blah, blah, blah yet. Did you have any questions for me? So it could be something more like that. If they still don't press the button, then you can set up another delay where it's like, all right, now you can get the freebie. We're just kind of, it's already a complicated funnel that I'm teaching. So I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. Then we're going to add 2 buttons. We're going to say, yes, please, or no, thank you. Done. Yes, please sends them a message with the link to the freebie. Great. You can download the freebie here, add button to here. And then if no, this is where you could say no worries. Again, you could do this however you'd like. You could say, let me know if you change your mind, or you could tell them to reply with a different trigger word if they want something else, like no worries, if you change your mind, reply trigger word, and I'll send you the link to XYZ instead. You could also do a quiz here of like, no worries, is there anything else I could help you with multiple buttons being like Instagram growth, TikTok growth, YouTube growth, or like landing brand deals, right? So I let them choose a topic, and then whatever topic they choose, I send them a link to a reel on that topic, and then that reel also funnels them to a different freebie or digital product. So there's lots of ways to do this. For now, somebody said no thank you, so I'm going to say, no worries, let me know if you change your mind. Close the funnel, done deal. This one's also cool. You could download the freebie here. They get, obviously we could change the name of the button. Download now. They get the freebie. This could be, again, done deal, or set up a delay for 24 hours and then try to upsell them back to that guide. We're going to consider both of these case closed, and let's go back to the person who did show interest in our original digital product. Cool. So if somebody did click the button, we're going to set up a smart delay. I only want to wait like maybe 30 minutes. I don't want them to be like offline, or maybe even like 15 minutes. So we're going to wait 15 minutes, and then we're going to send them a message asking, hey, what do you think of this digital product? Assuming that they purchased. We're also going to kind of nurture them and guide them to that next step. This is where we're upselling to the next digital product. So I'm going to be like, hey, what do you think about that guide? Do you think you're ready to go full time with content creation and like really lean into their goals? And so we're going to do 2 buttons. One's going to say, yes, I feel ready. And the other one is going to say, I'm not ready yet. If somebody says, yes, I feel ready, I'm going to send them a message. Again, customize how you see fit. Just be like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you. I have the perfect resource to help you take the next step. You can even get more specific about like, I have the perfect resource that has helped my students grow 300,000 followers within 3 months and then land a first 5-figure deal before their first year. Is this something that I could send to you? And then button would be, yes, please, with opening a website, link to upsell here. If somebody says, no, I'm not ready, we're still going to reply to them and say something like, that's okay. I still have a free resource that can help you when you're ready, or like that could help you feel ready. So that can help you feel or become ready. Would you like for me to send it to you? Yes, please. Yes. Now this is where things can get fun. If it's the same freebie as this freebie, where I was like, hey, I noticed you didn't grab a blank today. I have a free guide you might be interested in. If it's the same one, you could make this the next step and then have this be a new funnel for anyone that got your freebie. So you could set an action. Okay, if anybody clicks this, then the next step is going to be like next funnel. We're going to wait maybe like 2 days for a delay. So there's lots of customizations that you could do here, which I think is like just so cool within Manychat. Or you could create a different freebie and send a new message here. Cool. So with a funnel like that set up, really you only need somebody to purchase within those like first 2 messages, right? And if your funnel is converting between like a 5 and 10%, depending on which digital product choice you went with, like the $27 product option, the $49 or the $97 product, you'll need different amount of people to go through the funnels. So if you are selling a $27 digital product and you need 185 people to buy it, you might need to funnel, let's say about 2,000 people into that funnel. The more you post, the more you grow, the more this snowball effect happens, especially if you're mentioning this digital product in multiple videos. So it's not impossible. In fact, I see so many creators making 5, 6, and even 7 figures just selling digital products every single month. That is a goal of mine, to get to that 7-figure a month avenue. Not quite there yet. That's going to be a very cool goal. If you are selling a $49 product, you won't need as many people to go through that funnel, right? You just need 102 people to buy it. Therefore, you might need 1,000 people or 1,100 people to go through that funnel, or at least go to those first 2 messages. And then if you're selling a higher ticket product like the $97 product, again, you only need 52 people to buy that. So maybe you only need 500 to 600 people to go through that funnel. The cool thing is when people do purchase, if you have that upsell set up, you're automatically making more income per purchase because you have the automated upsell doing the selling for you. I know that may have been a lot, but I had so much fun building that out with you today. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. Manychat is seriously so powerful, more powerful than people give it credit for. You can set up so many things. Yes, comment to DM automations, but like funnels like this, it is very cool. It is one of the tools that I have recently been geeking out on. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Follow your joy. Bye.